Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be featuring my memory planner, and I love memory planning. It's something that I got back into this year as far as using a structured planner. I've always done memory planning. My bullet journal, my baby, was a mix of personal and memory planning mixed together, but I really wanted to get back to using sticker kits and my vertical planner. So I found this neutral option from Michaels. This is an 18-month planner. It started in July of this year and goes to December of 2021. And this is what the layout looks like. It's neutral, which means any stickers I put with it will go. And I actually have some stickers that I'm going to be using in this video from Rose Shadow Collection. These full boxes are gorgeous. And I'm also going to be using these as well from her shop. And yeah, I'm going to get at least 2 spreads. I will spread them out and not put them back to back. And just to share with you guys a little bit of what I have going on in here, this is Super Bowl week, so these are actually stickers from Cactus Paper Co. And then I believe these are from Letters to Apollo, Gooseby Twins. This was a leftover sticker spread that I created that I do have a video on. And then going back this way, we have more Letters to Apollo, this spread, and where's the other half of it? I think I put it in like April or something. I broke up the spread, the sticker kit I should say. So this one and this were the same sticker kit, I just spaced them out. And then what else do I have in here? So that's Letters to Apollo. This is the 90s kit from Rose Shadow Collection. So I have the information to the shops that I'm featuring, mentioning I should say as well. And then this is the jewel box. So I'll have all that information. I've planned a lot like going into June. And there's more sticker kits that I want to get. I can't wait to get some Christmas stuff. I may get a few Christmas ones, or I might just wait until next year. I don't know. But I'm just loving this planner. I'm trying to see which one that I have empty. So January is all filled up. And then February, I do want to find like a Valentine's type of kit for that week. So February is pretty much done. March is pretty much... So I may do one here, but I think I might just do April though, so that I'll have one here. So which ones do I want to do? I think I'm going to do the floral-like one here. And then the other week that I'll go ahead and do is, let's see what's happening in May. I know I have a lot of stickers in May. Alright, so we'll do this week here in May. And then whatever else I add will be what I add. So let's go ahead and get started. So that's it for this video. Here are the two spreads. With this one, I did my traditional up down of the sticker boxes, and I spaced out the girls and have the florals in between and some of the half and quarter boxes. And then this one, I switched it up a little bit and spaced out the girls, but also put 4 boxes on the bottom, and I like how it turned out. Again, added in some of the half boxes. So out of the 6 sheets, 4 are going in the trash. It's not 6 sheets, it's 7. It is 7. So out of the 7 sheets, I have 2 left, and these I just add to my stash, and if I choose to use them in this spread, cool. If I use them before then, that's cool too. So that is it. Here's spread number 2, and then here was spread number 1. Let me know what you guys think. And while the stickers kind of look like it's the same spread, me spacing it out, it's my planner. It is what it is. I like how both of them turned out. So that is it for this video. Would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Are you memory planning? Would love to hear what planner you're using. Do you use more structured planners, like a horizontal or a vertical? Are you more of a bullet journaler and add in your own photos and stuff and make your own spreads? Would love to hear from you in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have the link to Rose Shadow Collection, as well as other related videos on memory planning and so much more, including the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys would like to check out my custom gift shop, head over to 15roses.com and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at shop15roses. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.